Welcome back to Daytime Live. We got rid of Dufton and instead replaced him with Coleen Douglas, or family or friend of Edna Manley College. And she's here to talk about the International Jazz Day concert. And we're also going to have a performance by Adele Martin. So, Coleen, I want to make sure you're on a student get for performing. So let's jump into it. International Jazz Day, how long have we been celebrating this?
Well, the UN declared it in 2012. In Jamaica, we've been celebrating it since 2014.
Nice.
This year, we joined the rest of the world. There's about 195 other countries who are also celebrating jazz. And so at the college, we're partnering with the Jamaica Music Museum, and it's through the kind sponsorship of the Ministry of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport. Logic, Kingston is a creative city of music, and the ministry is bent on presenting a diverse music offering for Kingston. So jazz now becomes a part of the palette, you know. So Sunday, who we gonna see?
Concert, who we gonna see?
Concert is full of good people. We have the Alpha School Band. Alpha offers an associates in music. Alpha has contributed significantly to Jamaican music landscape. So the school band will be performing. Our student jazz choir will be performing. And then I don't want to leave out any of the faculty name. Gerd Bairns, Jesse Golden, Tony Moss, Ruth Brownie, L.J. Reid, Derek Stewart, Orville Hammond, Ibu Cooper, Ruben Betty, Desi Jones, Trevor Clark Wine, Calvin Mitchell.
That's some real hotshot names they got there.
Names. Then we have a jam repertory quintet with Leroy Newell on tenor sax, O'Keel McIntyre on trumpet, Ozuni Sundalia on piano, Leon Duncan and Desi Jones will play with them on drums.
And that's Sunday.
And this is Sunday. April 30 is International Jazz Day. So Sunday, after you do creative walk downtown, come up to Edna Manley, it's at 5 o'clock. There is a cost at the gate. Why do we ask you to pay? We ask you to pay because you're actually contributing to the development of music. Students who need help to pursue their degree, the proceeds of this $3,500 go directly into a scholarship.
Awesome.
And so, as you come to enjoy good music, you come to enjoy a good student like Adele Martin, who we'll see in a little minute perform. He's one of our jazz students, and he will give you a little taste of what you will see on Sunday.
All right, so with that, as a matter of fact, we're going to jump to Adele. So Dufton is actually going to talk to him since he's an honor student. I know he'll represent well. He may not get to perform, but it's all right. Everything he says will encourage us to come out on Sunday. So Dufton, I didn't really get rid of you. Go right ahead.
Let me tell you what happens, people. You see, when you don't have certain persons, or when you have certain persons working for Daytime Live, like Sanik Vasiana, all sorts of things happen. Adele was here and ready to perform, and Sanik just touched his keyboard. Nothing. Adele, I am very sorry.
It's okay.
Adele, tell us, what do you love about jazz?
Well, jazz has a very strong element of freedom to improvise. And I'm a person who loves to improvise, so I'm free to do solo and improvise how I want, you know? Play any note how I want.
Any note how you want?
Yes.
If there was a jazz piece that you would play, what jazz piece would you just, the top of your head just that?
Well, what I'd do is approach it like one of my favorite musicians, actually, pianist Oscar Peterson. So probably a song like Somewhere Over the Rainbow, and just approach it like, you know.
You mean Somewhere?
That is it.
That one?
Yes.
Okay, all right. Is there space over the rainbow for Sunny? That I could just put her over there?
I should think so.
Are there any jazz pieces that you have composed yourself?
Actually, yes. I performed one recently on the honors recital. A really nice, creative, elegant piece.
Okay.
I really hope one day that I'll be able to perform it in a larger space with larger audience, so everybody could hear.
And the keyboard is the only instrument that you play?
I play the bass as well.
The keyboard and the bass.
Keyboard and
What's your favorite accompanying instrument if you're playing a jazz piece?
Definitely the keyboard, because the keyboard is like an orchestra. You can cover all kind of different approaches as if you were playing a brass instrument, a bass, or even a drum.
So you on the keyboard, and which other instrument would you want, to play alongside you?
Drum and bass.
Drum and bass.
Yeah, drum and bass.
Yeah. Because earlier on I was asking about if you could play the anger management.
Yeah.
Yeah, and that would have been...
I would have give you that nice and...
Yeah, because we're ready.
Yeah, ready.
We're ready. And we're going to get you to come back to play something
For
for
sure,
us.
definitely.
And come West, Adil. Adil, come West. Adil,
Sorry, you know what's not beside me. Thank you so
Adil,
much,
strike
Adil.
yourself.
No, remember, it's Sunday, 5 p.m. It's actually at the Vera Moody Concert Hall at Edna. Very minimal cost, so turn up. There's something happening Sunday as well.
Oh, you're slightly unhinged.
Yeah.
It happens at 22 Jerk every last Sunday. So we're going to be there. I'll be hosting, and Diego the Cross-Eyed Villain is going to be the main act. It's going to be good vibes. So come out and laugh and enjoy yourself.
Thank you so much for watching Daytime Live. You should pay me for remembering that, you know. Please remember to check on your loved ones and support as a community. Thank you for tuning in. We'll be back
on Tuesday, and we have much more buzz, chat, vibe, and mix. And even though we're outside people, please stay safe. You'll give the anger management.
Stay healthy. Just do the reading. Yeah. Hey, come in.